I don't think periods is something most pupils are comfortable discussing. I think it's to do that it's such a taboo and there is a lot of stigma, and not just that, there's not enough education in schools.
We get taught the science behind it, but this doesn't necessarily mean we're being taught about the symptoms girls have.
People who menstruate should be allowed to leave their lessons, and even the fact that some people have to have time off because their periods are so painful. We started the period programme 3 months ago. We called it Mis T, which in Welsh, period is misleaf, and so it's your time of the month or your period. And we did that so it's like more inclusive to people, that no one feels like they can't come and have the support that they need.
We give a variety of products from menstrual cups to pads to tampons to reusable, and we have starter packs, we have panty liners, and this makes sure that it's unique for everyone who needs it, and we ask if what they need they get in.
Some students do feel more inclined and more comfortable coming to sixth formers instead of teachers because we are their peers, you know, and we're someone for them to feel comfortable around, and they can talk to us and ask questions.
Knowing that then they can pass it on to the people, and it's kind of like a chain of like passing on that information.
It's a Welsh government funded programme, and I think that's really good because it encourages other schools to do something similar, start it up for their pupils so that, you know, everyone has that access to period care.
This could encourage Wales to be more open and more inclined to change the stigma around periods.
It's important that it comes from them, it's their voice at the end of the day. So we're supporting the pupils to basically do what they feel they need to do and to engage with the younger pupils in the school also.
Whenever they've needed extra support from teachers within the school, we've given them that, but it has been led by the sixth formers and they've done an excellent job in doing that. It's really important that everyone is happy to discuss it, and it's something that will ultimately have a positive impact on the males by having a greater understanding of what females are going through.
With open conversations, I think we're putting it out there. It's on the table, everyone's talking about it, and I think we need to have that honest conversation with boys, girls, everyone in the school, and with regards to teachers as well. That's not something that it should be an embarrassing subject to talk about or a taboo subject. It needs to be open, we need to be discussing it because everyone's going through it at the end of the day.
A period proud Wales would be when everyone is accepting of it and hopefully with less stigma around the topic and is more talked about more openly.
A period proud Wales is where no person goes without. Everyone has access to menstrual care and what they need.